Hey guys, I'm Chelsea. If you are curious about experiencing the city beyond the typical tourist path, you're in the right place. In this series, I'll walk you through the essential applications you actually need from transportations and food delivery to online shopping, digital payments, and even local social platforms. So today, in episode 1, we're starting with the most important topic, how to travel around Chengdu. In this part, I'll show you how to firstly, link your international credit card. Secondly, verify your identity using your passport. Let's download Alipay in the App Store here. At Me page, you can change the languages in the upper right corner. And open General Setting Language. And that's it. Also at Me page, tap on Bank Cards, then select Add Card. Here, you can enter international credit card information, Visa, MasterCard, and other major cards are supported. Fill in your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the name matches your passport exactly. After confirming, your card will be linked to your Alipay account. Now, you can use Alipay for payments, metro rides, bicycles, rentals, and even taxis. Next step is identity verification. Go to here, select passport as your ID type. Upload a clear photo of your passport page and complete the face verification if required. Now let's move to the transportation section inside Alipay. Here, you can apply for digital transportation cards. If you're in Chengdu, simply select the Chengdu Metro card. Or you can also switch cities if you travel to other places in China. When you search for a metro route inside Alipay, it will already give you a suggested route, including transfer stations and estimated travel time. But if you want no more detailed navigation, you can tap here. This would redirect you to another application called Amap, also known as Gaode Maps. So, under the help of Alipay and Amap, whenever you enter or exit a metro station, just open this page and show the QR code at the gate. Scan it when entering and exiting. The fare will be automatically deducted from your linked credit card. This is one of the easiest ways for foreigners to use public transportations in Chengdu. No ticket machines, no language barrier, no extra application needed. You might probably also notice that beside the metro, there are several other transportation options here. Just like Uber, this section allows you to take a taxi directly inside Alipay. You could choose different types and price range of taxis here. Here, you can also access China's high-speed train booking system, known as 12306. If you're traveling between cities, for example from Chengdu to Chongqing or Shanghai, this is where you can check train schedules and purchase tickets. For long trips, this is extremely convenient. You can also unlock shared bikes here. Just scan the QR code on the bike and the ride will start immediately. And that's it for episode 1. With just Alipay and Amap, you can handle almost all transportation in Chengdu, less application, less stress, more of the city. In episode 2, we will talk about how to order food deliveries like local. See you next time!